Guys, Todd with Timberland here today to talk to you about the Mount Madison collection, which is available in men's, women's, and kids. This collection has been a family favorite for years, offering a waterproof boot to keep you dry for miles and miles, whether on the trail or in the city. This collection offers outsoles made from recycled rubber material, a waterproof timber dry membrane to keep your feet dry and wick moisture away from your foot, and our anti-fatigue footbed to keep you comfortable for all those miles on the trail or in the city. Check out the Mount Madison collection when you're looking for your next pair of hiking boots or casual shoes to take you out on the trail or across the city.
Hi, my name is Rachel and I work in the marketing department at Merrell, and today I'm here to talk to you about the women's Siren Hex Q2 E-Mesh. This versatile engineered mesh hiker is created specifically for women to provide them comfort and alignment that's specific to their needs. This lightweight shoe has a mesh upper to keep your feet cool while hiking, a bellows tongue to keep debris out, and is perfect for day hikes. This shoe features our M-Select Grip Plus outsole, which is our stickiest outsole, perfect for all kinds of terrain in wet or dry weather. This shoe also features a comfortable midsole complete with Q-Form 2 technology, a women's specific technology that centers your foot, locks your heel, provides comfort all day long, and supports all three of your foot's arches. And of course, this shoe features our perfect Merrell signature fit. It's snug in the heel, precise in the instep, and roomy in the toe box. This women's specific lightweight hiker is perfect for all of your adventure needs moving forward.
And almost instantaneously.
With Merrell. I want to talk to you about my favorite hiking boot, the Moab 2 Mid Waterproof. This boot is awesome and I think you're going to love it as well. It's known for its out-of-the-box comfort, so as soon as you put your foot in it, you're going to get that Merrell wow moment and just want to go hit the trails. So let's talk about what makes it so great. When we look at the outsole of this boot, we've got a Vibram outsole, so it's super grippy, super durable, so when you're hitting the trails, they're wet, they're muddy, you're going to be gripping just fine, and it's going to last you for years. In the midsole here, we have our Merrell air cushion right under the heel. So it's essentially a little cutout, like if you took an ice cream scoop right to the foam and put another layer right over it, it creates a little trampoline effect for that heel. Feels amazing right underfoot. Getting into the upper here, we've got a nice performance suede that's going to be really durable. It's going to shed dirt, clean up nice. And we also have this silicone stability band here that wraps around both sides of the foot. So when you've got a light to medium pack, you're going to be supported in that boot. It features our M-Select Dry waterproof membrane, which is both breathable and waterproof. So even though this boot looks really meshy, it allows your foot to sweat and that sweat will evaporate out of the boot, but it does not allow water into the boot. This boot features our typical Merrell fit, which is going to be snug in the heel, precise over this instep, and really roomy in that toe box. So it's an anatomical fit and it's comfortable right out of the box, so you can gear up and hit the trail today.
To go off-road, off the beaten path, get back to nature, do it while wearing Skechers. Waterproof boots, extra insulation, all-day comfort, Skechers has it. When you get outdoors, get into Skechers.